Hello guys, and this is Anirudh from Tech to Heights, and today we're going to review this Domo gamepad. So without wasting any further time, let's just begin. And I'm also going to unbox, and I'm also going to show you that how you can control this with easy and most popular game. So today we're gonna to unbox this Domo Bluetooth gamepad, which is actually a really good gamepad with single joystick. So let us just start. And the price quoted here is according to them is 1490. That means it is 1500 or 1500, but I actually get it as a review unit. So let us just quickly unbox this. Let's just keep these things to a side. And yes, here it is 1490 written. At the later part of this video I will also show the pics of the specs that are given here. And let me just cut this thing. Let us just remove this. And nothing inside the box, but just we find is a Domo written here. And here it says a manual of the gamepad, I would say. Here it says about a note, power and pairing. And this actually had 3 modes to control. One, you can use it as a gamepad in Android, and one as a mouse, and the third one is iOS. So let us just remove this thing. Pretty small, I would say. OMG, the build quality is okay, feels great. And here it is written start. And here we have 2 modes for key and game. So let me just set it to game. And here we have set it this tactile feedback. So let us just read how we can do this unboxing. So here it is written that power on, press the start button for 2 seconds until the LED lights up. So let us just, and the LED lights up. And pairing mode, after first power on, the controller is in pairing mode. This can be noticed since the will be flashing. It is not in pair. You have to press the start button for 12 seconds. So let us just see where is the start button, I would say. Okay, again let us just, now it is in pairing mode, I would say. So let me just connect it with my Bluetooth, and let us just press it for a time, I would say. Quite difficult for the first time. Let us just see it. And let me guys just first pair it, and then we will be right back. So guys, here you can how it can be charged. Here it is a port for charging, as you can see. Now let me just remove all these connections, and to open you have to press this until the LED starts blinking. And now it starts blinking. As it is on game mode, let me just unlock. Let me just add my password, and then I will be right back here. So I had my password now. Now all we had to do is to open the Bluetooth. Let me just fold it. All we had to do is to just, and here gamepad, let me just forgot this. Every time you had to forget this. This is and now it says that it is pairing. It is saying that it is pairing. Let me just decrease. Now you will be able to see that it says that it is pairing. So now let me just disable the Wi-Fi, and it had been connected. So let us just remove all the apps, then continue. Let us just start with quite a bit interesting game, Leo's Fortune. So here is my, I would say, keypad. Let us just skip all these things. Let me just remove these papers. Let us just play a quite interesting game. And soon also I'm going to review another gamepad controller that can be connected. So now let's just continue. Quite interesting, and it's actually very playable, I would say. Enjoyable. But actually you should get a habit of this. It's quite difficult too, I would say. Oops. Oops. So now let us just remove this game and let's just get towards another game that is really great, Asphalt 8. And guys, do notice this can be only played, according to my testings, this can only be played via phones that have actually via games that are runs on single joystick. For example, Assassin's Creed Identity runs on dual joystick, so you cannot play this. And I'm also going to review another controller with dual joysticks so that I can show you. That's a great controller by Quantum. They had said me that they will give me a review unit. Let us just skip this. I think it can only be done via controller. Okay. Let us just play Nevada level. Next. Quite a bit interesting, really, quite a bit interesting. And in my area actually there is a voltage problem today, so that AC is getting a little bit noise. It might affect my voice. And yes, we are now, let me just skip all these things. And the build quality is good, I would say. Now let us just, oops, you had to get a habit of this. Let me just get the nitros and then I will beat them.